issued its updated Atlantic hurricane season outlook today. That outlook is calling for an even higher likelihood of an above normal season, and there's now the potential, an even higher potential, that the season could be extremely active. For the season as a whole, we're predicting now 19 to 25 named storms, of which we think 7 to 11 will become hurricanes, and 3 to 6 of those could become major hurricanes. So this is a lot of activity, and those ranges are well above the seasonal averages of 12 storms, 6 hurricanes, and 3 major hurricanes. There's 3 main factors behind the prediction for even more activity than we had indicated in May. One is that the conditions that have been producing more active hurricane seasons since 1995 are again in place this year. These include warmer Atlantic temperatures, a stronger West African monsoon, weaker wind shear, weaker trade winds, and much more conducive wind patterns coming off the coast of Africa. Another climate factor that's in place is the potential development of La Nina, as I mentioned earlier. And when you have La Nina in combination with these conditions over the Atlantic, that's what really sets the stage for an extremely active season. And then thirdly, we've increased the number of named storms to 19 to 25. That partly reflects the fact that we've already had record activity to date. We've already had 9 storms to date. This season is not as active as 2005, which was the record season, nor do we expect this season to be a record season. As I said, we're expecting this year to be one of the stronger seasons on record, not the strongest. Comparing now to 2005, we've had a record 9 named storms already to date. 7 of those have been tropical storms only. If you look back to 2005, we had already had 2 major hurricanes. The bottom line is that the conditions were in 2005 were even more favorable for hurricanes than we're seeing now. Now, when you have seasons as active as we're predicting, that's when the number of storms striking the U.S., Mexico, and the entire region around the Caribbean Sea, that's when the number of landfalling storms goes way up. We've already had 5 storms striking the U.S. this year, and there's going to be more storms threatening the United States. So whether it's a record season or not is really secondary to the fact that there's a lot of hurricanes and major hurricanes still to come.